So I was telling you about the tall story. Tall story means when you exaggerate something, exaggerate a point, or you particularly your imagination is you are expressing your imagination, and that is very difficult to believe. कोई ऐसी चीज़, कोई ऐसी बात, कोई ऐसी स्टोरी, कोई ऐसा इंसिडेंट जो आप बहुत एग्जैजरेट करके बताते हैं और एंड द लिसनर के नॉट बिलीव इट। इनक्रेडिबल सी आप कोई कहानी सुना रहे हैं या इनक्रेडिबल सी आप कोई बात बता रहे हैं, कोई इंसिडेंट बता रहे हैं, उसे हम टॉल स्टोरी कहते हैं। तो इट इज़ अ ईडियम। रीड एंड एन्जॉय। Yesterday, Miss Williams told the class, use your imagination. Everybody close their eyes. You too, Sophie. Now, what you can see? So, yesterday, Miss Williams. It's a poem, and the scene is of a classroom. There's a classroom, and the teacher is Miss Williams, and she is instructing her students to close your eyes and use their imagination, and everybody should just see what they can imagine when their eyes are closed. So this is just a as an activity in your class. Miss Williams is a teacher and she is telling her students to close your eyes and use your imagination and just see that what comes in your mind, what you can see with your closed eyes. Miss, said Sophie, grinning. And immediately, the Sophie is the name of a girl in the class, and she says, Miss, grinning means giving a very broad smile. There's a baby alligator lying on your desk. He likes you. Look, his legs are waving in the air. I think he wants his tummy tickled. So, immediately, when their teacher told them to close their eyes and just imagine what you can see, so immediately one of the girl named Sophie stood up with a broad smile and told her teacher that ma'am, there is a baby alligator. Alligator आपको मालूम है, it's a family of it is from the family of crocodile. क्रोकोडाइल जैसा ही दिखता है बट सिर्फ इसका जो माउथ पार्ट होता है ना बच्चे, वो थोड़ा सा ज़्यादा लंबा होता है। क्रोकोडाइल का तो ऐसा होता है, बट जो एलिगेटर होता है ना उसका मुंह ऐसा ये लंबा होता है आगे से, ये लंबा होता है और यहाँ जाके ये यहाँ पे इसकी आई होती है। तो इसका जो है ना मुंह ये ऐसा वाला होता है, ठीक है। बट जो क्रोकोडाइल है उसका तो पूरा मुंह एक ऐसा करके है ना, इसका थोड़ा सा आगे से ऐसे लंबा होता है। तो ये एलिगेटर होता है। So there is a baby alligator. She says that ma'am, at your desk, there is an baby alligator lying on your desk and he likes you. And she tells her teacher that that baby alligator likes you. Look, his legs are waving in the air. And she further adds that the legs of his that baby alligator are waving in the air. I think he wants his tummy tickled. So what she says that I think that baby alligator wants you to tickle his tummy. Means tickling means आप जब आप किसी को सॉफ्टली टच करते हैं हाथ या पैर पे तो गुदगुदी करना जिसे हम कहते हैं ना हिंदी में, गुदगुदी करना, दैट इज़ कॉल्ड टिकल. So she says that ma'am, Miss Sophie, Miss Williams, there is a baby alligator at your desk and he likes you and his legs are waving in the air and he wants his tummy to be tickled. Well done, Sophie. So with this she stopped. So teacher said, Miss Williams, she appreciated her. She said, well done, Sophie, excellent, thank you everybody. So she praises the Sophie and she thanks everybody. Open your eyes now. So she tells everybody to open their eyes. So we did. And उसके बाद सबने आंखें खोल ली. And there he was, the alligator. just like Sophie said. And when everybody opened their eyes, so there was an alligator. Just like Sophie said, जैसे Sophie ने कहा था, alligator वहाँ था. And when Miss Williams had tickled him enough, she popped him head down in her handbag. So जैसे ही सबने आंखें खोली, तो that alligator, baby alligator was there. And when Miss Williams tickled him enough means Miss William ने, उसने बोला था ना कि he wants his tummy to be tickled. So Miss Williams ने उसके टमी को टिकल किया मीन्स गुदगुदी की. एंड जब मैम ने उसकी अच्छे से उसको मीन्स टिकल किया एंड शी वॉज दैट बेबी एलिगेटर वॉज सेटिस्फाइड. सो शी पॉप्ड हिम मीन्स क्रैक्ड हिम इन हिज बैग हेड डाउन इन हर हैंड बैग. तो उसके बाद उसने बेबी एलिगेटर को अपने बैग में वापस डाल लिया. With a scaly waving tail tip sticking out. So when she put that baby alligator bag and head down in her handbag, so she could see that scaly means कुछ होते हैं ना बॉडी पार्ट्स, जिन कुछ एनिमल्स ऐसे होते हैं बच्चे जिनकी ना बॉडी पे ऐसे ऐसे स्केल्स होते हैं. जैसे फ़िश पे भी आप कई बार देखेंगे या ऐसे 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 स्केल्स होते हैं. ठीक है, तो इनको स्केली बॉडी कहते हैं. तो विद अ स्केली एंड वेविंग टेल स्टिकिंग आउट, तो जैसे उसने उसको ऐसे हेड डाउन करके उसको अपने बैग में पॉप किया, तो जो उसकी स्केली सी स्किन थी, वेविंग टेल टिप स्टिकिंग आउट, उसकी जो टेल थी वो बाहर ऐसे ऐसे बाहर दिख रही थी, नोटिसेबल थी. See you later, pet. तो with that she said कि my pet alligator, see you later, she said. तो वो उसका पेट था, उसने उसे बैग में डाल लिया. But children, that's enough of that. Pick up your pencils now, it's time to write. So after that, she said, Miss Williams, children, now that's enough of that. कि अब बहुत हो गया, it's more than enough. जो भी आपकी imagination थी, now you pick up your pencils and it is time to write. अब आपको लिखना है. तो उसके बाद आपकी क्लासरूम का जो है सीन ख़त्म. It ends here. At bread time means lunch time. Okay, lunch break में all of us went to Sophie. तो जैसे ही लंच हुआ तो सब बच्चे सोफ़ी के पास गए. As she stood there gobsmacked. And when all of them went to Sophie, so she was gobsmacked means she was utterly surprised to see that why they all are standing in front of her like a conjurer's assistant. कंज्यूरर होता है बच्चे पर्सन हु डज द मैजिक ट्रिक्स, जैसे मैजिशियन टाइप होता है ना जो, तो यहाँ पे इसको उन्होंने वैसे यूज़ किया. शी स्टूड देयर गॉब्समैक्ड. जब सब उसके पास आए ना बच्चे, तो वो वहाँ पे बहुत ही सरप्राइज्ड उसमें खड़ी थी. लाइक ए कंज्यूरर्स असिस्टेंट मीन्स वो उसे ऐसे लग रहा था कि जैसे वो किसी मैजिशियन की असिस्टेंट हो, हेल्पर हो साथ में. हु हैड मैनेज हर ओन ट्रिक, कि मीन्स उसने जो अभी इमेजिनेशन दिखाई थी क्लास में कि देयर इज़ अ बेबी एलिगेटर एंड एवरीबडी वॉज जस्ट व्हाट शुड आई से awestruck with her imagination. Awestruck means सब हैरान रह गए थे उसकी इस इमेजिनेशन से. तो जब सारे बच्चे उसके पास गए लंच ब्रेक में, तो वो भी खुद सरप्राइज़ हो गई ये देख के कि सब मेरे पास ऐसे क्यों आए हैं. तो सब ने उसकी बहुत प्रेज़ की. दे सेड सोफ़ी यू आर ब्रिलियंट, वी टोल्ड हर वेट टिल यू हियर आवर स्टोरीज. So everybody praised her and they said that she was brilliant and they told कि you should wait until you hear our stories, कि हमने भी अभी अपनी स्टोरी सुनानी है. you should wait, कि अभी हमारी भी स्टोरीज तुम ज़रूर सुनना. later back home and then this classroom scene is over. Now she comes back home, that Sophie, My mum, as usual, asked me. So when she came back, her mother asked her. As usual means अक्सर वो पूछती थी जैसे what I had done today at school. So when you come back from school, so your moms ask ना कि आज स्कूल में क्या हुआ या आज आपने स्कूल में क्या किया, ऐसे पूछती है ना मम्मा. So, and when I told her just for once, she didn't say. And the Sophie told her that what has happened today and what she has done and what their teacher has told them and what she has done in return. So when I told her just for once, तो जैसे ही उसने अपनी मदर को बताया, she didn't say that Sophie. तो उसकी मदर ने उसे कुछ नहीं कहा, बस इतना ही बोला like she always did. तो जैसे वो पहले बोलती थी कि कुछ बोलती होगी दैट सोफ़ी कि जो वो पहले उसको बोलती थी हमेशा उसकी मदर, उसकी मदर ने उस दिन उसको वो वर्ड नहीं बोले. शी सेड लाइक ऑलवेज शी डिड बट सिंपली यू एंड योर इमेजिनेशन. हर मदर वॉज मीन्स शी वॉज जस्ट she does not have any words to express, so she simply said ki Sophie, I'm just over with you and your imagination. Means every day you are up with some new imagination, some new tricks. So with this her mother said that after listening to her that what she has done today in her class, she just said this word you and your imagination कि तुम और तुम्हारी imagination. I just can't get par with your these magical tricks. That's with this she just put off the conversation. So this is just a simple poem and it is just for your enjoyment. I hope you all have understood this, and if you find any word or any line difficult, so you can definitely tell me at my personal number. I will again explain you. So should we do the exercise part also? It's very easy poem. There's nothing difficult in this. What did Miss Williams tell the class yesterday? What she did? She told the class to use their imagination, close their eyes and tell them that what they see. So we'll get the answer number 1 from here. So you should try write the answers. What did Miss Williams ask Sophie? Miss Williams asked Sophie to close her eyes and now what can you see? Miss Williams. Second answer भी हमें यहीं से मिलेगा. फर्स्ट आंसर यहाँ से मिलेगा, सेकेंड आंसर हमें यहाँ से मिलेगा. What did Sophie say? Sophie ने क्या बोला? Sophie said, there is a baby alligator lying on your desk. This whole can be written. What did Miss Williams do? She praised her. She said excellent, thank you, and told everybody to open their eyes. What was the reaction of Sophie's classmates? Sophie के classmates को कैसा लगा था? So they all liked it and they just praised everybody. They all said that she was brilliant. Complete the following blanks. A baby alligator was lying on Miss Williams' desk. A baby alligator was his dash tickled. Was his tummy tickled? Wants, यहाँ wants आएगा. Wants his tummy tickled. At break time, all the classmates went up to Sophie. The classmates told Sophie that she was brilliant. Back home, my mom asked me what I had done today at school. So with this we have completed up till here. So in the next lecture we will do something new.